Hello friends, welcome to my new video. So today in this video, I'm going to discuss with you all about a very important topic that we all should know, that is about orbit. Okay, so let's start. So from this video, you will get to know what are different dimensions of orbit, what are different boundaries of orbit, and also bones of orbit. Okay, and in the next video, I will going to discuss about proptosis. Okay, so let's start this video now. So orbit is a bony structure that houses the eyeball, extraocular muscle and nerves, and also provide protection to the eyeball. So along with giving protection to the eyeball, orbit is helping the eyeball to rotate. Yes, we all know that extraocular muscles are responsible for eye rotation in different direction, but orbit is giving the eyeball a frame, or what to say, socket, where eyeball can rotate properly. It can be along the horizontal meridian, or it can be rotation along the vertical meridian, or it can be rotation along the anteroposterior meridian. Okay, so these are some functions of the orbit. Okay, so orbit is consist of several bones. So here is there is 7 bones are there, which is responsible for making the orbit. Okay, or these 7 bones actually making the orbit. So these bone are actually, this is the frontal bone. First frontal bone, then sphenoid bone. In sphenoid there is 2 wings, lesser wing of sphenoid and greater wing of sphenoid. Okay. After sphenoid there is palatine bone and zygomatic bone. This is the zygomatic bone. Lacrimal bone. This is the lacrimal bone. So in the lacrimal bone, lacrimal sac rest in the lacrimal bone. Okay, and ethmoid bone is just here, and maxilla. This is the maxilla. Okay, so walls of orbit. So orbit is having 4 walls: medial wall, lateral wall, superior wall, inferior wall. So superior wall of the orbit is also called as roof of the orbit, and inferior wall of the orbit is called as floor of the orbit. Okay, and medial wall, lateral wall is same. You can call lateral wall as a temporal wall, no issues. So here, here you can see clearly different bones. Here you can see also the lesser wing of sphenoid and greater wing of sphenoid, and also this is a palatine bone, optic foramen, and here superior orbit, orbital fissure, and this is the trochlear notch. Okay, so here in the trochlear notch, you know that here the superior oblique muscle get turned backward in the trochlear notch at about 45-degree angle and getting inserted to the sclera. So let's move to the medial wall of orbit. So medial wall of orbit actually made by sphenoid bone, ethmoid bone, lacrimal bone and maxillary bone. Okay, sphenoid, it means the lesser wing of sphenoid. Okay, and lateral wall or temporal wall of orbit is made by greater wing of sphenoid and zygomatic bone. Okay, roof of the orbit, that is the superior wall or roof of the orbit, is made by lesser wing of sphenoid and frontal bone. Okay, and floor of the orbit is made by zygomatic bone, maxillary and palatine. Okay, so floor of the orbit made by zygomatic bone, maxillary and palatine bone. Here is the palatine bone. Okay, so just compare, just read about this thing, that what are the bone are making which wall, and match these bones with a picture so that you can memorize it properly. Okay, so let's move to some dimensions of the orbit along with eyeball. So here, what is the volume of orbit? The volume of orbit is 30 cc. Okay, volume of eyeball 6.5 ml, weight of the eyeball is 7 gram, AC depth is 2.5 to 4.4 millimeter. Thickest wall of the orbit is lateral wall. So lateral wall made by zygomatic bone, front and frontal bone, that is the thickest wall. Okay, and thinnest wall is medial wall. Okay, so you remember the medial wall is made by sphenoid, ethmoid, lacrimal and maxillary bone. Okay, this is the thinnest bone. Okay, so that's all friends, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope this video helped you a little bit to do revise or to get to know something new from this video. And in the next video I will going to upload about proptosis. Okay, so till then, bye bye.